What's up, for how's it going? It's quite the drop. Oh, that's good. That's good. Man, a nice push up on the overnight. You do $250 daily targets. Nice for yeah, that's a good plan. Try to do one trade a day or a couple trades a day. Call it. That's what I'm trying to do on these Apex accounts. Trading them small, super small. Just 2 micros right now on them. Yeah, nice. Nice for yeah. It kind of just prevents you from over trading, you know. That's why I like the consistency rule on some of the accounts. It keeps me from over trading. Like Top Step, I keep trying to build a huge buffer and I end up blowing it. Absolutely, for that's something I'm trying to work on every day. It's more consistency, better consistency. Yeah, I had a few small payouts for but I definitely wasn't profitable over the month of December because, you know, I took a few payouts, but I blew a bunch of accounts and reset them. And yeah. That's why I just kind of switched to micros on this Apex account here. Still rallying from last night. It works for the option 1. It should work for the option 1. Let me check it real quick. Bulinox is weird. So it should work for Bulenox 91% on option 1 50Ks and up. Yeah, Farad, I like my funded futures as well. I got a my funded futures um, evaluation going right now. I don't have any funded accounts right with them, but so Isomer. I mean, let me know if it doesn't work. If you try it again, it should work for the. Here, I'll show you. Should work for the option 1 50Ks and up. I appreciate you trying to use my code. I'm working on getting my affiliate code for Apex, but apparently I have to request a withdrawal through affiliate codes, and I have to have so much, and it's a pain in the butt. So that way I don't have this WXZQMDTM. Thanks, Isomer. Appreciate that. Yeah, 91% off Bulenox right now. I got 3 master accounts going right now. I'm actually up 200 something bucks on them, but hey Huss, good morning. How's it going? So it's the first real full trading week of the year. Well, it's supposed to be, but we have a day of mourning for former President Jimmy Carter on Thursday, which really sucks. It just kind of messes everything up, especially when you trade futures. And then we have non-farm payroll Friday, so that should be interesting. Minor news at 9:45 today. Job openings, PMI tomorrow at 10 a.m. Unemployment, FOMC Wednesday, and then like I said, Thursday is going to be kind of dead. Stock market's closed. Friday, non-farm. So we'll see what we can get. Yeah, pretty choppy, Husk. Caught a nice little long here before I got on stream with just an evaluation. I went in heavy with 30 micros, but I want to get some My Funded Future starter accounts back. I blew them all last week, so well, let's see. We're still getting that push up for sure. I'm gonna be patient. Try to wait for the volatility to die down a bit. One thing I could say is that I've been pretty patient on stream. It's definitely helping my patience out. I'm someone that likes to click the button. So we've been kind of parabolic already this morning. It's really nothing for me right now. So I took a small daily payout on the Take Profit Pro account today. So there's a small one. But hey, it's daily payouts, so why not? So I got the wallet. You can withdraw this wallet at any time. But if it's below, I think like $150, then you have to pay a fee. So it's not going anywhere. See what we can make on it today. Take another daily payout. Should be nice. It's not a lot, but it's daily payouts. You know, pays for some evaluations or whatever. These 5 Apex and the Bulenox, you know, I'd like to, you know, hopefully grind those up over the next month or two and take out some larger payouts. We're just shooting for the moon right now. Wow. It's point clicking by, I guess. Five-minute open range, yeah, it did, for sure. I haven't quite figured out how to trade that yet for Rot. Especially like the break of this opening range. Just because I don't know where to place a stop. Like the stops are huge for me. So I haven't quite figured out how to trade it quite yet. Sometimes when I'm playing super aggressive, I'll just do it with an evaluation and kind of YOLO it, but okay, that's interesting. You take it on the retest. Oh, we're getting a pullback here. Rejection off from 830. This is pretty volatile. There's the news. It's not red folder news, but you can see it's moving the market some. So I got my Take Profit Pro account and my funded futures eval pulled up on the other screen. Buellanox, I got 3 master accounts. I made just like a 10-point scalp last night for like $200 on one mini. So I'm shutting those accounts down for today. I just activated them, so nice little start to them. What's your second best prop firm? So I guess I'll just give you like, I like my funded futures, take profit trader. I like Top Step a lot. I want to get back to trading some more Top Step. Once I get a few more payouts, I'm gonna get some more Top Step. Buellanox. I do like Tradeify. I mean, there's like 5 or 6 that I trust, you know. But I guess if I had to pick 2, it'd probably be my funded futures and Top Step. But I am liking the daily payouts from Take Profit Trader. It's just they have been my kryptonite for so long. And I'm bound and determined this year to get my tuition back from Take Profit Trader. So I'm slowly getting it back. Slowly. Yeah, Top Step's great. I mean, you're not going to worry about Top Step at all. I mean, oh, I see I got Streamlabs working for the auto bots. If it gets to be too much, then I'll try to adjust it. I'm so new to this stuff, guys. I'm like the Streamlabs, and I'm such a noob when it comes to this stuff. If I was to go live with a company, with a prop company, it'd probably be Top Step. I trust them the most out of all of them. So I'm on Take Profit Trader chat. Trying to figure out some things with my affiliate. For some reason, Take Profit Trader keeps denying my affiliates, and it doesn't make any sense. It's been like 3 times I've applied and they keep denying. I don't know why. I see people that don't even have a YouTube channel or a Twitter or any of that have Take Profit Trader affiliate codes, so it doesn't make any sense. And they're one of my favorite prop firms, and I use them every day, and I promote them every day. So, and I think I only want to promote companies that I actually trust and get payouts from. So we're just kind of grind. Well, I wouldn't say grind, but we're definitely just stair stepping higher right now. It's really nothing for me to do. I mean, yet it's still early. It's also Monday, so trying to trade super aggressive is a little sketchy. You don't want to do anything too dumb on a Monday. Mondays and Fridays, right? Mondays and Fridays, you don't want to do anything that dumb. I mean, it's nice to come out swinging, but I have this habit of getting too anxious and too excited to trade on a Monday and end up blowing accounts. And then on Fridays, I tend to, if I get down, say, I have a hard time walking away on a red day on a Friday. And then I dig myself in a bigger hole on a Friday. Something I've been battling on and off for years. My throat's so dry. It is so cold here. I got down to below zero last night. 20-mile-an-hour winds. I mean, you step outside and you instantly feel like you're gonna die. It's brutal. I just hope everyone that was living on the streets is got into the warming shelters last night. Because it was dangerously cold last night. It's still dangerously cold today. Checking out YM here. It's going back. ES is pushing higher. I hope we don't get a slow grind or just a trend day up. I mean, it'd be nice on my stock portfolio, but I like to get some rotational movement here. I'm not the best at trading trends. So it looks like we're getting some resistance here. See how this candle closes. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have a wide stop on my micros here, 30-point stop. Just so everyone's aware. I don't want anyone copy trading me, obviously, but just be aware that my stop is wide. So don't be going heavy. My record's not too good on stream right now anyway, so I'd be fading me if I was you. Just kidding. So we're getting a pull back here. Almost a 50-point candle. There is a 50-point candle. Just waiting to see if I don't know. I don't really know what to think right now. You know, obviously thinking bullish, but looking for longs, but we'll see. Been thinking about trading some oil too lately. I just don't know what to trade it on yet. So thinking about having some like a dedicated account just to trade oil on. I might do that with my funded futures if I can pass an evaluation and get another funded account. Or I should say when I pass an evaluation, because I will pass one. It's just, even if I have to go full degen, I will pass one. Man, I miss the days of fast track trading when they were practically giving away straight to funded accounts. And you could buy 10 accounts for $600. But obviously that didn't that business model was not sustainable, so no, Farad, no consistency rule once you're funded. Nope. Nope, no consistency rule, which is nice. I mean, if you like to go for big moves with Top Step, you know, or Top Step's the place to be if you like to go for big moves. Yeah, exactly. For yep, like the expert accounts. Yeah, with Top Step you pretty much do. Yeah, once you're funded, you can pretty much do whatever you want. Just don't, you know, hit daily loss limit. Well, even that's a soft breach, but And if you're trading on Top Step X, there's no daily loss limit. And the other thing for ROT too is keep in mind, like, I don't know what platform you trade on, but if you trade on like Trade-Evade or any of those platforms with Top Step, then the micros to mini, it's still 1-to-1. It's not 10-to-1. So like on a Top Step, they limit you once you're funded with the amount of contracts you can have. So, but if you're just trading like one mini, you're fine. But if you're trading Trade-Evade with Top Step and you have and you generally trade 10 micros, you can't do that. Sorry, I'm trying to chat with the take profit. I guess I'll just do this after. I'll do that after. Gotta focus on the trading here. I'm gonna try a short here. Could get wrecked here, but we'll see. It's kind of chopping around. I'd like for it to make a move here. I'm looking for a bigger move. I'm not looking to scalp this. I'm looking for, a good chunk, 60 points or so. But we might just absolutely get hosed on this. Move my stop down just a tad. I'd really like to see a flush. This definitely wants to hold up here. Well, it was looking good. But buyers stepped back in and is buying this back up, so.
Stop filled.
I got stopped out on my Take Profit Pro account. My stop was a little different. Looks like I got lucky on the apex. Still looking for a bigger move. Oof. What was that? Looked like a big buyer might have stepped in there. So that's really unfortunate. We were big time in profit. I was looking for the bigger move, and then the buyer stepped right up and just wham, slammed it. So yeah, we stopped out there. Okay. As you see, the copy trader did not work properly. That was weird. So we lost $100 on that trade. That was a little unfortunate. We were in the money there, pretty good. I was looking for that bigger move down. So we lost $100 or so on the Apex accounts. It's all right. It's manageable. Lost 139 on the pro account. So looking at CL here on my other screen. I'm gonna short CL. Try it. It's on evaluation. The heck? There we go. So we're short CL on an evaluation, just trying it. We get a little bit of flush here, take profit. Sorry I'm being quiet, I'm just focusing on this trade here. Hope it doesn't do what NASDAQ just did to me. Flush down 120 ticks and then...
Order filled.
There we go. That was a cool little trade. So if anyone's interested in that trade, that's a Trader Rob trade on YouTube. Oil trade. Up 1,000 on this evaluation. Let's go back to the NASDAQ. So yeah, that was unfortunate. Let's see how many points we had up on that. Yeah, so we were up 30 points on that NASDAQ trade. Oh well. Just didn't work today. See if we can, I'm just going to pull this evaluation over here. Told myself I was only going to take 1 to 3 trades a day on on those Apex accounts. Today was a loss, $100, not a big deal. Bulanox, we're up 200 a piece on those accounts, those funded accounts. So I don't want to, so I'm done on those. And my funded futures, this is evaluation. We're up a G on that. Be nice if I could get this passed in one day. So you might see me go full degen mode if I see something, so just be aware. It's just an evaluation. Really just pushing higher. How's everyone else doing today? You green, you red? Sitting on your hands? School run trade worked nicely this morning. But it's not part of my rules, so we didn't have 8:30 news. But it did work pretty well. He didn't take that much of drawdown either. None of this looks clean to me right now. Hey Macy, what's going on? Thanks for joining us. Praying, yeah. Point, click, and pray. Point, click, and pray long, I'd say, at this point. Nice for up $800 on the combine. Very nice. You trading a 50K for Very nice. What platform did you go with? Top Step X, all right. Nice. Yeah, so you don't have to worry about daily loss limit or the micro to mini ratio, which is nice. I like Top Step X. It's fine. Works fine. But I guess they were having some bugs last night. I don't know. Yeah, the lockout button's nice. For sure. I like how you can set the profit target for evaluations as well. So you can just set it at the 50% consistency on the 50K, so $1,500. I usually set it for like 1,520 if I'm, full sending that eval for the day. I feel like if I try any shorts, I'm just gonna get my face melted. Because obviously right now we're turning into a trend day higher. So which can be really good for some people and really bad for others. It all just depends, Hey, keep it simple. How's it going? Fun day today. Ended my day deep in the green, going long on NQ before the open in bell. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, definitely. This was a beautiful long. We had this big flush candle here. I don't know if there was some sort of news or what. And then we've been going higher ever since. So, very nice. And, I mean, we've been going higher all night, actually. So, we're just getting that continuation now. But yeah, very nice. So I don't know. I mean, I guess we just wait for a pullback and go long. Daily bearish trend line. Yep. Okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Super bullish, huh? $22K1 is where I'd be cautious going long. Shorts might be hiding there. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it definitely looks like we're headed for that big fat whole number. I mean, I really didn't expect a trend day today, being the first full week of the year, but that's okay. We trade what we see. If you guys could do me a favor and smash the like button, really helps out the channel. $15-minute reversals. Yeah. So I got a 15-minute pulled up here. I'm kind of watching these pivot points just for, I don't really trade off them or anything, but I've just been watching them. Maybe something in the future. Starting to get a pullback now. We'll get the bottom of the hour, new 15-minute candle. is my... There it is. Just the initial balance. The initial balance is set now, so let's see. See if we can get any plays off the initial balance. So I'll pull up the account thing just because I'm trading this evaluation. When I have the funded accounts up, I really don't like to look at the P&L. I try not to trade off the P&L so much, but since this is just an evaluation, we're currently red on the Take Profit Pro account. Feels bad, but just a small loss so far. Oh, this price action is just... If you caught the long, you're happy, but I did not catch the long. We tried to catch the short here and got 30 points in the money, and didn't immediately, but came back and stopped us out. Awesome. Keep it simple. So yeah, so you got some screen time in. Yeah, I started in futures in 2021. So yeah, you got some screen time. That's awesome. Yeah, this is last year was the first year that I was profitable. So, hoping to keep it going this year. But yeah, slow and steady. Patience, right? Patience and consistency. That's the key. Do you trade prop firms? Keep it simple. You got your own personal account? Nice, keep it simple. Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome if you've been trading your personal account since 2018 and, profitable. I have my own personal account as well. I trade that as well. I trade them both. To me, prop firms are just another tool. Prop firms are kind of a game that you can play. You can get a lot of leverage by copy trading multiple accounts with minimal investment, I'm a college dropout as well. I made it about a half a year. Then they wanted me to do a speech in front of the class, and I was like, nah, I'm good. I went and started digging ditches instead. Yeah, D. Even this streaming stuff is, I'm starting to get better at it, I think, in my opinion, and, it's going to take time, but yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm a blue collar worker for sure. Keep it simple. Carpenter, mechanic. I delivered mail for 15 years. But yeah, I flipped houses and. Oh, it doesn't stress me out, D. I'm getting used to it. Appreciate that, though. Yeah, keep it simple. I still do, I don't do any for work, but as far as blue collar stuff, but. I used to work for a blasting company. That's something I used to do. Drilling and blasting. Ledge and rocks. And used to work for them. That was a long time ago. Landscaper. I used to do landscaping. I used to work for a landscape company. Just whatever. Used to work at the post office. Get off my mail route and then go mow lawns until dark. That kind of stuff. Now I'm trying to use my brain, and it hurts. No, I love this stuff. I know that I can do this for the rest of my life. That's the thing. Physically. Hopefully. Knock on wood. But. Yeah, keep it simple. I know. I still feel young at heart, but I hit 40 years old, and I've been abusing my body my whole life, and still do occasionally. I do DoorDash too sometimes. Uber, my girlfriend still does it a lot. She does it every week. DoorDash. But yeah, that's awesome. Keep it simple. Yeah, so we have the similar backgrounds. But yeah, once I hit 40, I'm 40 now. Still feel young, but my body hurts. And my father, he's been a mechanic his whole life, and he's 64 or 5 right now, and he's still turning wrenches. And he can't put on his shoes now, because his back and knees and everything are broken. So yeah, he was kind of he taught me hard work, but he also taught me to not stick around to the blue collar shit. And I also try to take care of myself much better than he does. I go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week. I try to eat right, that kind of stuff. So yeah, he still runs a shop. He has a shop here locally in town. Yeah, still turning wrenches. I keep trying to tell him to sell the shop, but he won't. Because with the real estate market, he could just retire right now, but I don't know, he just won't do it. Do we go long here?
Order filled.
It's on an eval only, so kind of looking for some more momentum. To stop in here. Trading super aggressive, guys. This is just an evaluation, so just want to make that clear. If we can get above 83, 82-ish, and I'll look to move the stop to break even. Be nice if we can continue breaking those highs, but we're just banking on this is an actual trend day. That's all I'm thinking. Yeah, keep it simple. That's absolutely, you're 100% right about that. He wants to stay busy. I told him to buy a little tractor or something because he likes doing dirt work, and I said just buy a tractor, do a little small tractor work, something like that. Stay busy. But yeah, he likes the locals coming by the shop, and he likes chatting with the locals. You can learn all the town gossip at my dad's shop. Yeah, Reaper, I was actually thinking about that. I have it fired up. I just haven't quite figured it out yet. Yeah, thanks for the suggestion, though, Reaper. I might actually do that. Thanks for the sub, Reaper. Appreciate that. Boy, we're really not getting that push that I thought. We're not taking much drawdown, but we're not getting that. There we go. This is a nice move. There we go. I don't want to move my stop too quickly, but... And we'll take that off right there. $300 on that trade. So this was just a, in case you're new to trading or anything, this was, we can see we just got a fake out down here. We put in a harami candle almost. The body closed in here, and then I was just, obviously we're just going with the trend, and I was just kind of looking just more of an I think trade, really. Wasn't really much technical about it. You have a free order flow course, Reaper? Yeah, you can send it to me on Discord, I guess. Or I can check it out. Or thanks, keep it simple. Yeah, thanks for stopping in. Yeah, it should be interesting. Yeah, you gotta keep your stops in place and follow Trump on Twitter, because if he tweets something, then that could move the market, right? Oh, okay, yeah, go ahead and post it. D, you still watching? How'd you do today? I see a lot of big. Oh, very nice, D. Awesome. Yeah, I like the growth accounts as well. The advanced accounts, nah, not so much, but the growth accounts are good. So yeah, we're working on this evaluation right here on the my funded. I currently have no funded accounts with my funded futures. Wah wah. Pro account, we took a small loss, 139 bucks. On the Bulanox, we're up 200 on each one of the master accounts. Apex down 100 bucks on the 5 funded. And yeah, that's it. I'm really testing myself on taking that one trade on the Apex accounts. I'm really testing myself. Oh yeah, those are the worst, D. You know, when you just have that little bit to go. Oh, dude, I've blown funded accounts like, oh, I've blown funded accounts in payout, like looking for a bigger buffer. So I've done that. But I've also blown accounts where, you know, you're just 20 bucks from. It's like, how do you even do that? I swear it's like an out of body experience when you go on tilt sometimes. It's really crazy. Oh, I still do too, D. I mean, I don't have any my funded future accounts, and I know you've been following me for a while. I had a few last week. Just before the new year, I had a few, and they're gone. Like I said, I can go back to my stats and because I journal my P&L for payouts and personal account, and there's generally always a one day out of the month that I do dumb stuff, go on tilt, and I don't know what that is. It's just like one day. That's why I like the five days funded accounts. So like you only need to trade for 5 days, and I've been doing really well on those. But then the 10-day accounts, you know, I can get a little wishy-washy, and it's just about patience. You know, it's just something that I need to work on. Patience, staying consistent, things like that. Putting in your stops. And that's another thing too that I noticed that I've been doing is because I like to, like when I trade Quan Tower, I always have my stops in if I'm trading funded accounts. I like to kind of use the bracket orders, and then with the Tradeifys, if I have one account, then you know I have the brackets here. But when I'm copy trading the accounts on funded accounts, then you know you got to manually put your stop in, and then there comes that discretion, right? So I'm my own worst enemy. So it's not the market, it's me. Oh, Reaper's the man. Reaper's got some screen time. MFU is bartering with me about reversing my chargeback. I told him that I will if they give me 250k star. Huh, that's interesting, D. Yeah. I had that 25k milestone a few weeks ago. Oh, yep. Yeah, D, yeah. Yeah, once you do a chargeback, they definitely... Thankfully, my funded futures screwed me over once on a evaluation. It wasn't a big deal, but they definitely screwed me over. And this is what happened. So apparently, I had a monthly rebill for an evaluation, and the evaluation wasn't blown yet. And so I passed it on that day, and I figured that it was going to be that night when the rebill happened. Well, I passed it that day. Come 4:15 or whatever, I got rebilled. My past evaluation never got activated, and they reset my account to the rebill, but it showed so when I passed the account, it showed that it was passed, and you know how it automatically goes dead, Well, somehow things got crossed. I got rebilled. They reset the account. I never got my funded account, and I went back and forth with the support, and they wouldn't do anything for me. And I was almost done with them right there. It really aggravated me, but I just used it as, you know what? Screw you guys. I'm going to get my money from you guys. And I've been getting habitual payouts with them ever since. I threw fuel on the fire. But yeah, that really pissed me off. Because everything's so automated with my funded futures, which is a good thing for us because of speed. So payouts and account activations and all that stuff. But when there's something screwy with it, it can really... there's nothing the support can do. Well, at least they say there was nothing they could do. So we definitely swept the highs here, and then looks like we're chopping around right now. I don't know if we're gonna chop around before we make another move higher. I mean, that 22,000's sitting right there, and it's just itching. The market can always go higher. But we really didn't get that explosive move after we took that long here. I mean, we scalped for, 15 points or so, but yeah, I was really expecting an explosion up. So we wicked above the initial balance, came back and closed down below it. This is kind of interesting. Now we're retesting the high again of the IB. But it really just feels like a trend day, guys, to be honest with you. Yeah, Quant Tower DX feed, yep. They offered me a 150k, and I said I want two. Playing a hard bargain, D. I like it. Good morning, Woodchip. How's it going, Wood Chip? Hey, Josh, what's going on? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, we took a little small L, Josh, this morning on the funded accounts. Felt bad. We were up 30 points on this drop here, and I didn't take profit. I was looking for it to come back down in here. We didn't get it, and came back, stopped us out. And then this evaluation, we're just working on the evaluation now. Buell and Ox were up 200 on each one of those accounts, but I took that trade last night. How you doing today, Josh? So now we're just chopping around here, top of the range, the opening range, initial balance range, I should say. So right now, D, I don't see any reason to go short, that's for sure. Not yet. I mean, you can see where every pullback's being bought up. Here, bought up. Here, bought up. This has been bought up. So right now, I don't see a reason to go short. You kind of have to just wait for that confirmation of something. I do like how we wicked above the initial balance and we came back and we closed below it. To me, this is a bearish sign. But with this strong upward movement from the overnight, it's definitely a little scary to try to go short. It's also scary to try to go long. So for me, this is not the type of price action I like. This is the type of price action that gets me smoked. So the fact that we're just down small on the funded accounts, I'm happy about. Yeah, that could be. It could be D, between TraderVate and TradingView. I never watched TradingView. Well, I guess the Top Step X is TradingView charts, I guess. I don't know. I tried TradingView once and then I got frustrated because I was so used to using TraderVate. TraderVate's so easy to use. But TradingView definitely, people love their charts and the charting and the indicators and I can see why. I mean, you look at them and it's like, all right, this is nice. But where I kind of trade clean charts, it doesn't really matter. Oh, that's interesting, D. Yeah. I'm so used to looking at TradeAvate that I look at TradeAvate charts and then trade off my E-Trade or even Quantower. I'm pretty used to looking at Quantower, but what is interesting spot. So we work below this prior 5-minute candle here. It looks like buyers are trying to buy that up again. If we can get an above initial balance high again, I might look for a momentum long. But we could just roll over here too, so So I really got nothing. That's all I got to go on right now. So I appreciate everyone hanging out. It says we got 15 people watching, which is pretty awesome. Appreciate that, guys. I know there was a lot of other streamers came back today, and they're all off their vacations, I guess. Boys, nothing's clean, huh? It's like, you know, you might think short, you know, try to go for momentum, and then it's just not clean. It's just bouncing back and forth. What's ES doing right now? I'm just hanging out there. A lot of indecisions right now. So it's definitely these stubborn 90s, you know, before we go to the big whole number, the 900. But I think if we get above this mess and close above the initial balance, I think we could really start to make another leg up, start pushing higher. And it's not out of the question that we get 22,000 if we continue this trend. I mean, this is NQ. This does what it wants. But we are chopping around here now. Wood chip's long, 72. Yeah, I like that wood chip. It's worth a try, right? I mean, you're going with the trend. Yeah, we have no other news today, so it's no reason for it to... We got nothing. No speakers or anything, so... Guess I could switch to NQ for this evaluation. I hate when you go. I like how Tradeovate saves your settings, obviously, but I hate when you go back to another prop firm. Like tomorrow, if I sign back onto here, then it'll be like NQ over here. When on Take Profit, I didn't want to trade NQ, and then mistakenly, you know, go in 2 NQ contracts or something. Yeah, D, I don't blame you right this second. Bouncing off that initial balance again. High. If we can break through there, we should push the 900s. I would think we push the highs again. Yeah, it's not a bad play wood chip. I mean, I see 22,000 in the future. For sure. There's no reason not to think it. I definitely don't want to try to fade it. So there's the push through. Now we should push the highs.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try to go with some momentum long here, but could get wrecked. Oh, you gonna do me like that? Market makers are watching me. I was trying to go on momentum, and so far that did not work out. I guess I should have just waited for a pullback long. That's alright. It's just an eval. If we can get lucky and oof, we're not gonna get lucky, I don't think. It's gonna do me dirty, like Methodical Man would say. It's gonna do me dirty. I mean, I top ticked that one. I think as soon as I clicked buy it, it dropped. Well, we could get lucky here. We'll see. It's not looking good. I'd like to see a close above the initial balance high. That'd make me happy. I'm get a close above 87 or so. But yeah, it's being real stubborn here at the 90s, which it tends to do. Ugh. Just do it already. So another close below initial balance high. Just playing games. Just wants people to go short before it rips their face off to go higher. Thought about getting out here, but I'm just gonna hold my stop where it is. It is what it is. We definitely didn't get that momentum that I was hoping for. Once we broke above the initial balance, again, I was like, oh man, we're gonna push higher, but I'm back at entry now. Let's see if we can get that push to 900s now. Come on, rally up there. So wood chip, if you're still long, that's a nice trade so far you got going on there. It's long from 72. It's a beautiful trade. Really? Really? I'm really getting burnt holding my trades today. Last week I was getting burned because I wasn't holding my trades and I was scalping or getting out too early. Whole new week, whole new day, and now, I mean, my entry's poor, so that's not helping, but I really thought we would get that mega push. Oh. Nice wood chip, yeah. I think it's gonna do me dirty now. But I don't know. We're stair stepping, so if we can keep that stair step going. If I was in at 72 and had my stop at 58, yeah, definitely would be holding wood chip for sure. This I was looking for more of a 20-point pop, but we didn't get it. So while I'm waiting on this trade, show you guys something. So I was in a season-long football pool. And I finished third place out of 126 people. So I won $300.
Stop field.
Oh, I got stopped out. Yeah, Josh, yeah. I'm not feeling it now. Now it's playing games with me. I tried to go for that momentum play in the playing games. Yeah, you're right, D. Yeah, probably. Took me out. I knew once if we didn't get that push that it was just a matter of time before it came and took me out. So yeah, I was pretty happy. I bet Arizona Cardinals last night for the last game and went all in. And yeah, jumped from 12th place to 3rd place. So yeah, I should be getting a check in the mail for $300. Not bad. $20 entry. And it's fun. It's with a bunch of friends of mine and stuff, so. Yeah, Josh. Look at that. It did me dirty. I'm not gonna jump back in. I need something. I need better price action than this. For me personally to start YOLOing this account. You can't trade minis right now? No. Just because by choice or just... Now look at that. Yeah, it's definitely, this is not, I don't like this stuff. I'm gonna sit on my hands, play it safe for a bit. So, yeah, so if you guys could smash the like button for me, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I really appreciate everyone hanging out. I'm just do a quick recap here of the accounts. So down small on the MyFunded Take Profit Pro account. We just took a small payout on the Take Profit Pro this morning. You know, whatever. Not bad. Just a daily payout. Doesn't look like we're gonna get the daily payout today, or at least this morning. I might trade it this afternoon, but I'm really trying to be patient with it and not dig myself into a deep hole. The MyFunded futures, this evaluation, it's up 1,000. Bulanox up 200 each on each one of those master accounts. Apex down $100 on the 5 Apex accounts. The trade did not work. We were 30 points in the money, and it came back and stopped us out. Luckily, we were only trading 2 micros for that intraday trailing drawdown, because that would have really hurt with a mini. Yeah, that's about it. I don't want to sit here and bore you guys because not loving the price action right now, to be honest. Maybe that's just me, but yeah. At Jordan, thanks for the sub. Appreciate that. Yeah, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I have Apex links. Bulanox running 91% off. I have a use code PINE. And I can't get Take Profit Trader to approve my affiliate links. So I don't know why. I have a Tradeify and TickTick in my description and bio or whatever on my YouTube. Appreciate everyone using my codes. I should be able to apply for a Apex personalized code, and hopefully I've been trying to chat with support for Take Profit Trader, because it's one of my favorite prop firms to give me a code, but they keep denying me over and over and over again, and I have no idea why. So, but I appreciate everyone hanging out. Appreciate you guys, Josh, D, Woodchip, all you guys that are hanging out and chatting, and all you lurkers. I appreciate it too. Yeah, so I'd like to be more consistent on the streaming. So hit the bell and yeah, find me. Peace, guys. Stay safe for the rest of the day.